On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be finishing up this module for anti-pattern and magic numbers. So let's pick up what we left off from yesterday. So instead of dividing this floating number by our ETH amount times ETH price, we'll just say divide ETH amount times ETH price by precision. As we went over yesterday, it's going to look like this: ETH amount in USD, which is the type UNT256. We're going to set that equal to the ETH amount times ETH price divided by precision. Remember, precision we set to the 1 times 10 raised to the 18th. So this is what our small contract will look like now. It's pretty much the same thing. I'm just going to show you what it looks like with the actual code implemented inside of it. So it's going to look like this here, as you can see, inside of our view function. We have our ETH amount in USD, UNT256, equal ETH amount times ETH price divided by precision. And that's how we implemented that into our code to take care of those floating numbers. That's pretty much the end of this module here. So we're going to wrap things up. Tomorrow we will be starting a new module. It's going to be the gas comparison between constants and immutables versus the stores. So look out for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.